Welcome back, my fellow Italian language students. Today's lesson's topic is Preposizioni Articolate. I've recently made a video. I leave a tab here, but also a link down in the description about Italian prepositions. It is a video about preposizioni semplici. I suggest you to watch that video first and then go back to this one because this is chapter number 2. Hey, welcome back. So, now I can explain what preposizioni articolate are. Preposizioni articolate is a big fancy word, actually 2 words. Can be translated as articulated prepositions, composite prepositions, compound prepositions. There's no specific definition in English, of course. However, in Italian, that represents a very specific concept. Concept is, often in Italian language, well, basically every noun has its own article. I remember you that articles follow the same gender and number of the noun to maintain concordance. So it happens that if a preposition introduces a noun, you have this situation. Preposition, article, and noun. The consequence is that you have to stop your vocalizing every time you end one particle and start the other one. So, in order to make the speech more fluid, Italian language merges preposition and article in one single preposizione articolata. Clever, isn't that? First and foremost, we must do metrics. We can simply take the 9 basic prepositions and the 7 basic articles. We can merge them together, il, lo, la, I, gli, le, plus L with apostrophe, 7. And the 9 prepositions. 7 times 9 is 63 different particles. Crazy? Joking? In reality, preposizioni articolate are way less. Because not every preposizione semplice, simple preposition, is going to be merged. Only 5, not 10, 5 of the simple prepositions can be merged. Di, a, da, in, su. So 5 times 7 is 35. However, I know 35 different preposizioni articolate are not that easy to grasp. Up we list the 7 articles and on the left side the 5 simple prepositions that we're going to merge with articles. First case scenario, preposition di plus article il. Remember, first goes the preposition and then after the article. If we put those 2 particles together, di, il, there are 2 vowels clashing together. That's why you need to stop vocalizing di, il. We substitute 2 i's with the e. So di plus il makes del. For instance, this is the ticket of the train. In Italian it's gonna be questo è il biglietto di il treno. Merged together is del. Questo è il biglietto del treno. Di plus lo makes dello. Di plus l apostrophe, del, double L and apostrophe. Di plus la, della. Di plus i, dei. Di plus gli, degli. And di plus le, delle. For instance, I'm a lover of mountains. Io sono un amante di le montagne. The particle that introduces the noun montagne with its article. Montagne is female and plural. That's why before we find the article le, female and plural. However, di plus le becomes delle. Io sono un amante delle montagne. Here how delle montagne sounds better because you have less vocalization to be interrupted by the break between the two particles. Then the row of a. It goes with al, allo, al, alla, ai, agli, alle. We leave at the X time. Noi partiamo alla ora X. Again, a plus l apostrophe ora is going to be merged into allora. Noi partiamo all'ora X. The da row is going to be dal, dallo, dal, dalla, dai, dagli, dalle. I've been waken up by the barkings. Io sono stato svegliato dagli abbai. Abbai is plural, but in Italian language is also masculine. So gli is its own article, and it is introduced in this speech by the particle da. Io sono stato svegliato dagli abbai. In row goes like this. Nel, nello, nel, nella, nei, negli, nelle. I found the needle in the straw. Io ho trovato l'ago in la paglia. La paglia, the straw. It is feminine and singular. That's why you need the article la. Again, merging preposition, the simple preposition in plus la, nella. Io ho trovato l'ago nella paglia. 100% legit Italian. Last row is the su row. Sul, sullo, sul, sulla, sui, sugli, sulle. I landed on the island. Io sono sbarcato su la isola. Su because is the correct preposition to introduce specification and I landed on something on the island. La isola is feminine and singular. Isola, that's why it wants the article la. Su plus l'isola, because l'apostrophe. La isola, remember you have two vowels clashing together, so you have the first merging of article and noun, l'isola. But because you have L apostrophe, you can again merge a second time su plus l'isola in sull'isola. Io sono sbarcato sull'isola. Logically, prepositions per, tra, and fra, they do not merge in any way possible with articles. They remain separated. So, summing up, I leave by following the matrix, the tab that sums up all the 35 preposizioni articolate you can find in Italian language. Feel free to take screenshots and use it later for your studies. I give 100% consent to use this material. I hope you enjoyed this very video, so if that happened, please hit that button, subscribe, you know, all the stuff you can do to support my work. And in the meantime, remember, speak like a genius. See you in the next lesson. Bye bye.